guys, Andrew McLaughlin here from LetzRoll Offroad. We just rolled in the ESAB Rebel Tough SEMA build. Got it on the rack, started prepping the frame. We're installing the Metalcloak lock and load long arm today. It's going to be a 4.5-inch kit that Metalcloak makes. It's their Rock Sport edition with their Rock Sport shocks. And the guys have prepped the frame, started getting all the bracketry on, and we're starting to lay all the links in now. To be able to install the suspension kit properly, not only do we have to prep the frame and all the bracketry that's going to incorporate the new long arm, we also have to pay attention to the angles. When we hang these axles, all the angles and suspension geometry is going to be changing, so it's going to take some careful measuring and some careful placement of where all these parts are going to go and line up. Some of the benefits of a long arm kit is as you increase the ground clearance and the height of the Jeep, the suspension geometry gets out of whack. Right, the suspension, it wants to be nice, flat, and level, so once we get to these numbers, these 4.5 and higher, or if you're looking for that awesome off-road ability, we're going to look towards a long arm kit. That moves all the bracketry towards the center of the vehicle, gets all our angles properly, so we're really looking for that nice, level control arm. What it does is not only keeps the vehicle more stable, as the vehicle articulates or flexes over those rocks, it'll push the vehicle forward instead of trying to tip it over. Metalcloak makes one of the best springs we've ever seen. Their progressive rate, dual rate spring, it's awesome. It flexes good and it rides really good on the street. As it moves through its compression and extension, it actually changes the rate. So you're getting that nice soft feel, but you're also getting that control that you really need on and off-road. Plasmas are one of our favorite tools here in the shop. It allows us to essentially cut metal with electricity and air. Plasma cutting is very different than oxyacetylene cutting, to where you have a switch to turn it off and on instantly. You get into some tight places, you can fabricate bracketry, you can cut off bracketry off axles. It's one of those tools that is really cool because it makes lots of sparks.